Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gluten-free biscuits is probably one of the most sought-after baking mixes for those with dietary restrictions or a preference for gluten-free options. This comprehensive review will delve into the top-rated gluten-free biscuit mixes currently available, examining their ease of preparation, taste, texture, and overall value to help you make an informed decision when choosing a mix that meets your needs and expectations, ensuring a delightful baking experience every time. Number 5. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Baking Mix. Make delicious gluten-free treats with ease. It's the perfect base for all your favorite recipes. This versatile mix isn't limited to biscuits. Use it to create pie crusts, pancakes, scones, and more. It includes xanthan gum, so you only need butter and liquid. Baking has never been easier. This convenient mix provides a simple way to make delicious gluten-free goods. Enjoy the taste without the hassle. One package makes approximately 18 biscuits, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. With this mix, creating delicious gluten-free baked goods is simple and fun. Enjoy the convenience and great taste. What we like? It's incredibly versatile. You can use it for more than just biscuits. It's also incredibly easy to use. Just add butter and water. If you are looking for a mix that can be used for many recipes, this is the one for you. Number 4. CALLIE'S Gluten-Free Biscuit Mix. Introducing CALLIE'S Gluten-Free Buttermilk Biscuit Mix, bringing the taste of the South to your kitchen. It's fast, easy, and delicious, perfect for any occasion. For years, our fans have asked for a mix, and now it's here. This mix lets you create our famous biscuits with ease, using our time-tested recipe. Enjoy delicious biscuits anytime. Simply add butter, cream cheese, milk, mix, and bake. You'll have fluffy, tender, and flaky biscuits in no time. These are our best-selling biscuits from our eateries. Now, you can make them at home, impressing friends and family with their amazing taste. Each order includes 2 13-ounce bags of mix, each making a dozen biscuits. That's 24 delicious biscuits in total. As a small family company, we're keeping the tradition of Southern biscuit making alive. We're bringing our family recipes and passion to your kitchen. What we like? It's made with a classic Southern recipe, resulting in a delicious flavor. It's also quick and easy to make, perfect for busy weeknights. If you're looking for a fast and tasty biscuit, this is it. What people say? These biscuits are just the best. I'm so happy I don't have to travel all the way to Charleston, South Carolina to have one now, even though it would be worth it. Also, an added bonus, my family thinks I can actually make these biscuits from scratch. I do not even roll them out with a rolling pin, I just use my hands and it works great. My husband and I like to travel despite his celiac diagnosis. These are by far the best tasting gluten-free biscuits we've found, and we were delighted to find the mix available online. They have a perfect moist texture. Loved the mix and recipe. Definitely use buttermilk. Very tender. Number 3. Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit Mix. Get ready to enjoy the irresistible taste of Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay biscuits right in your own kitchen. It's incredibly easy to make, and the result is pure deliciousness. Each box contains everything you need: the biscuit mix and a pouch of garlic herb seasoning. That's all it takes to make restaurant-quality biscuits at home. Simply add shredded cheddar cheese and water to the mix, bake, and brush with garlic herb seasoned butter. It's that simple. These biscuits are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them with breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They complement any meal. Recreate the magic of Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay biscuits anytime you crave that signature taste. They're ready in minutes. Indulge in the delightful cheddar goodness of these homemade biscuits. They're the perfect side dish or a tasty treat on their own. What we like? It tastes just like Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay biscuits. It's easy to make and includes a delicious garlic herb seasoning. If you love Red Lobster's biscuits, you'll love this mix. Number 2. Red Lobster Gluten-Free Cheddar Bay Biscuit Mix. Get ready to enjoy the irresistible taste of Cheddar Bay biscuits without the gluten. This savory mix is perfect for those seeking a delicious and convenient side dish. It's a delightful mix of cheese, garlic, and herbs. Each bite offers an explosion of flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. Experience the unbeatable cheesy and delicious flavor that has made Cheddar Bay biscuits a favorite. It's simply irresistible. This mix makes creating the perfect side dish effortless. It's the ideal complement to any dinner. Enjoy all the flavor without the gluten. It's the perfect choice for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. This convenient 2-pack provides plenty of mix to enjoy those delicious biscuits time and time again. Get yours today. What we like. It has an unbeatable cheesy and delicious flavor. It's also very easy to prepare. If you are looking for a simple yet flavorful biscuit, this is a great option. What people say. Flaky, moist, and great taste, just the ones in Red Lobster. As a diabetic that was put on a gluten-free diet and finding a good source of a starch low in sodium and moderate carbs that tastes good was hard. Most gluten-free flour gives me stomach cramps. This one does not and tastes great. Gluten-free, delicious authentic flavor and texture. Number 1. Mom's Place Gluten-Free Biscuits. Start your day the delicious way with our gluten-free and dairy-free biscuits and gravy mix. It's a delightful breakfast the whole family can enjoy without any dietary restrictions. These aren't your average biscuits. It's incredibly versatile. Add cheese, serve them with brunch, or even use them as dumplings. Each mix makes 8 to 9 biscuits. Enjoy the classic combination of biscuits and gravy, made easy and gluten-free. The creamy gravy complements the fluffy biscuits perfectly for a hearty breakfast. No baking experience needed. This mix is simple to use, making delicious biscuits in minutes. Perfect for busy mornings or beginner cooks. Make breakfast a joy for everyone. This gluten-free and dairy-free option ensures a delicious and inclusive meal for the whole family. Get ready for seconds. What we like. It's both gluten-free and dairy-free, making it perfect for those with dietary restrictions. It also comes with a gravy mix for a complete breakfast. If you need a gluten and dairy-free option, this is your best bet. What people say. My grandchildren really like the flavor. It's quick to mix the gravy then the biscuits. A filling and lasting meal. Good flavor and no corn syrup. I was amazed at the texture and taste of the biscuits, just like the ones Grandma used to make. The gravy mix was absolutely perfect as well. It was super easy. Leftovers the following day were just as great, everything heated up well and maintained its consistency. The family did not even realize it was GF. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.